Hey guys. So you guys know it was Sanu's like actual birthday 2 days ago?
엄마 이 댄스 알아? 이거 어제 아니야.
What dance is that?
봐봐. 3, 2, 1.
Go! What dance is that? So we got this for Sanu's birthday because he likes Sanrio and he likes to paint. Keropi. So we got this from Hobby Lobby. So we just moved the mirror over there. We'll put the tree there. And also today we're going to Sanu's friend's birthday party. So we have his birthday gift wrapped here. Hey, where's the painting that you did from last year at his birthday? So his friend did the same party last year and it was really fun. They got to paint, like splash paint. What is it called? Like where they just like throw the paint all over the room, like the entire room's like paint everywhere. And so this was Aiden's Yanu's, right?
Yep.
Here, tell me about your painting. What's the A?
A. This A means Aiden.
Wow, and awesome.
Thank you.
Sonu wanted to do a B for Brandon, but it was actually too hard, he said, to make the B letter. So yeah, he just did like random lines. What are you going to do today?
P.
P?
아니.
Oh, B? Brandon. Hey, we're going to Cancun in a few weeks.
Yay!
Here's our Cancun trip from last year for Aiden's birthday. This was so fun. And we'll be doing it this month. Oh my god. This was Yona's blanket from when he was a baby. My mom made it for him before he was born. Now it's like torn up. So we had lunch, but then they're kind of hungry, so they wanted a snack. So we're going to eat this pororo spaghetti. Remember we ate the pororo tteokbokki last time? But this is the jjajangmyeon version. It's really good. So I had the hot water in here and you just drain it out. Leave a little bit of water like up here and then mix it with the jjajangmyeon sauce.
10시에 자면 9시에 일어나요. 너무 안 돼.
Okay, Aiden's done with the first pom-pom. Where's the eyes?
뒤에가
It's hanging out. Today I think we want to actually put up our tree. Then we just have to stop by Sonu's friend's birthday really quick. And I need to start packing, finish packing. Love this sweater. It's from Urban Outfitters. I got it in gray and black. It's like so soft. So I just got back from the mall actually this morning and I picked up two things. There was this place called Garage. I've never heard of the brand, but then they had a lot of cute stuff. So I got this like, I like to wear this off shoulders. I tried it in the fitting room and it was really pretty. So I need to wash this and iron it. And then I love the sleeves because there is a slit. And then at a Mango, they finally opened the Mango here in Galleria Mall. I got this really pretty sweater. I've been looking for something like this striped sweater. This with a big collar, and I got it in size large because I like to wear it like oversized. So I'm gonna actually save this to wear in Korea. I am going to Korea tomorrow. It's like, yeah, it's gonna be a really quick trip. I'm gonna only go for like 8 days. And plus, I'm gonna go because it's my friend Suin's youngest child's tour party, first birthday party. So I'm gonna also attend that. So I'll be going alone. So Aiden will be with the kids here for a week. And then after I get back, the kids will be off another week because it will be Thanksgiving break. And then 1 week after that, we are going to Cancun. So the kids are actually gonna take 4 days off of school right after Thanksgiving break for that Cancun trip. super excited. We are going again for Aiden's birthday. We were there last year for Aiden's birthday. This time it will be special because it will be Aiden's last year in the 30s. He's turning 39. So since it's gonna be a really quick trip to Korea, I'm not gonna pack that much stuff, but I did pack a few stuff in here. It's mostly what people ask me to bring in Korea. I packed some jackets because I heard it's gonna be cold in Korea. So I have this, some black dresses. I'm gonna also pack this new sweater that I got after I wash it. And I'm trying to think of 2 more outfits. And then my friend Sangha, when she was here last time, she purchased a Chanel bag, but then she didn't have room to put this box in her luggage. So she asked me if I could bring it this time. So I'm just gonna carry this box to Korea for her. So in here, she also asked me to bring her some Terra chips. She tried it when she was visiting and she fell in love with it. So I got her like the mini sizes. So we have 4 or 6 Terra chip bags in there. My friend Suin asked to bring Crest toothpaste. And we have some like snacks. I've never seen this, Skittle gummies. And then my friend's daughter likes Pom-Pom-Preen as well. So she wanted a wallet. I still have to pack all my makeup and restroom stuff, like my shampoos and skincare. I might start my period while I'm there, so I'm gonna take some pads. I have my sponge, I have my accessories in here, contacts, some face masks, eye solution, toothpaste, toothbrush. And then my friend ordered an iPhone 15. I was going to carry this in my purse. I'm not going to put it in the luggage because I don't want it to get like lost or stolen. I'm going to do the tree this morning, but we don't have time, so I guess we're going to do the tree after we get back home. Isn't this bag so cute? So my friend, she actually had this for her diaper bag. And I was like, that's so cute, I want one. So I ordered it from Amazon. They have like 4 different designs, but I got the one in the teddy bear. So I just keep all my travel stuff in here. When I get to Korea, I'm trying to think if I should get a straight perm, because I want my hair like super straight. Because the last time I was there in May, I got a C-curl perm like on the ends. That's why it's like curled like this. So should I just leave it curled like this, the ends, or have it straight? Lock the doors.
엄마 우리 아직 이거 다 안 그렸는데 왜?
So we are here. The art place is actually inside the mall. So we are at Willow Bend Mall. 어디?
가져가자 집에. 오늘 끝나고 가져가자.
트리가 있다고? Wow, they put up the huge Christmas tree. Here is called Pipe and Palette. 안녕. Happy birthday! Have the canvases all set up here.
Everyone would like to take their seats, please.
So they made party favor t-shirts for all the guests. They made like name pouches for the kids too. Wanna say cheese? Okay, they're gonna put their poncho on so that the paint doesn't get on their clothes. This is the head. You have to wear this on your shoes. She wants her mama.
Right, just search the walls for push pins. They're all over the place. I got some big ones. All right.
Then once they throw the paint, they'll peel off this tape. 와, 너는 잘 돼가? 와, it's a time. Nothing but cake.
저번에서 만나야
Okay, so the kids are done with their artwork. Wow. There's Sanus. Paint fight. Happy birthday to Done with the party. That was so fun. Was that fun, you guys?
Yeah.
It's almost Christmas. Okay, so we just got home, you guys. The kids are taking a shower really quick, and then we're gonna put up the tree before we go to bed. Put up the tree so the kids could decorate the ornaments as soon as they get out.
아니 선우가 나도 그랬어.
What?
He said don't do anything until he comes out.
Remember our Christmas vlog long time ago when Sonu was like 1 year old and Sonu kept taking out the ornaments that Yeonu was putting on.
옷 입고 와, 옷 입고.
Okay, Sonu's done washing up. He wanted us to wait until he comes out to put the tree up. Yeonu is still showering.
가짜야?
오. Yeah, that because you're 6 foot tall, so that tree must be 9 foot tall.
그러니까.
와, 뭐야? 기억나?
학교에서
He
맨날
found his secret stash of crystals from last Christmas.
그리고 미스면 생겼어. 1학년 때 봤는 거.
First.
안 필요.
매년 조금씩은 깨졌던 것 같아.
거기 제작 버린 거야? 됐겠지?
됐어.
예.
떨어져도 괜찮아. 안 깨져. 안 깨지면 버리면 돼 그냥. 이거 뭐야? 이거 좀 멋있는데?
뭐?
반짝이?
Say good night.
Bye bye. Good night.
Bye bye.